Incap, the international manufacturer of electronic equipment, has operated in Kuressaare since year 2000. The international company with 80 employees mainly produces electronic equipment, over 90% of which is exported to Scandinavia. Additionally, Incap's products have also reached the North American and Chinese markets. The production and operating capacity of the company has more than doubled in recent years, which is why a supplementary production line costing 1.3 million euros was opened in 2017, in order to meet the increasing demand, to make production even more flexible and to create new jobs in the region. For 17 years, Incap has been a stable employer in Saaremaa, finding opportunities for innovation and creating new value for customers, their own team and also for the region. The company is the biggest electronics industry in Saaremaa and also a member of the board of Estonian Electronics Industries Association, making the company considerably more responsible as a pioneer in the sector, both regionally and across Estonia. Incap wants to place the Estonian electronics industry on the global top industries technology map and to show that the smartest solutions for the electronics industry are created in Estonia.